Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach. I'm a full-stack web developer. I do telecom business setup solution for Nigerians, also beyond this country. So this is actually going to be a comprehensive tutorial guide on how to build a data reseller VTU website that will dispense airtime data subscriptions automatically using the newly launched custom data reseller VTU website solution. So I'll be a little bit detailed as possible on this very tutorial. So follow me along the line and then do not skip any part of this presentation because this is going to be a game changer for you. For those of you that want to get the script right now, because I'm going to give you an irresistible offer to get the script to deploy it in your own website, in your own cPanel, because even if you get the script and you don't have a training on how to go about it, you'll be confused along the line. So please follow me along the tutorial while we proceed. Remember, this is Legit Business TV. In Legit Business TV, what I do here is that I teach you, train you for completely free of charge, just like this particular one you want to watch on how to build businesses, especially on telecom business, crypto, trading, forex, mobile app development, online business in general. So subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. We love and care for you. So having said that, let's go back to the video properly. Now, we want to build a data reseller V2 website that will dispense airtime data automatically. And the goal of this training is for us to be able to start making money online by data business. So the first ever thing you need to understand is this. You need to have a cPanel to enable you to store the script to be able to work upon the script. So if you have already a hosting account, you can skip some section of this video. But if you have not, I'm going to give you a recap on how to do about it. So starting from the first section, to start with, you need a hosting account, which you can use a popular platform which you call Namecheap. Okay, Namecheap is a global hosting company, which you can go to namecheap.com to acquire your own hosting account there. So of course, Namecheap is recommended for this solution. You can go ahead and make a purchase of their packages. They are all available here. So I'm going to still show you a shortcut to all this, but I'm just like giving you, if you want to do it yourself as like getting your own hosting without using the one I'm going to recommend for you, you go to namecheap.com and then have an account and buy a hosting plan from them. Then apart from that, you also can check out a HostGig, okay, HostGig. So forget about the name, but you're going to see it. You can just go to hostinga.com. It's also a very good, reliable, fast loading hosting company. And you can see their plans here is very, very affordable. That's almost $3 per month. So you can check them out. It's also a very good hosting company I recommend on this app. Okay, so apart from that, you also need a domain. Okay, now if you are going for .com.ng, you can go to hugohost.ng to be able to buy your domain name. Okay, domain name like .com.ng, you can actually buy it and then point to the DNS to your hosting account. If you don't know how to do it, make sure you contact me. I'm going to guide you on how. We already made a video on that. I'm going to just cite once you get the script. I'm going to show you how to point your DNS, change your DNS to be able to work with your current hosting account. So get a .com.ng from Google Host and then point it to your name server. Having done that, we are going in for the practical properly. Now you have a cPanel like this, and then you have a hosting account and a domain. Like the project we're going to be looking at is philovitadata.com.ng. You can see it is loading up the index page like this. You can see it right away. So we want to build a data reselling website under this host domain name, and it already has a hosting account. Now, for you that are watching this video, you think that you want to get a hosting from us, it's also available, but I'm going to show you at the end of this video so that it's not every time that, okay, you're watching Shedrach video, Shedrach is always telling you to buy product. No, this video is practical based. So I'm going to be going to the practical critically right now. So let us all go into the practical section. Now, we have a hosting account with any of these provider I pointed out to you. Now, the first ever most thing is for you to install, upload the script, which you also get from us. So you can contact me to get the script. I'm going to show you how to get the script But let us do the practical first. So what you need to do is that on your hosting account, all you have to do is to go to your file manager, which is always, you can locate it. If you click on this file manager here, it will direct you to your file manager section. So I'm already click on it and you can see it right away. Then locate the name of the domain in which you want to work on. You can see it right away that this is the domain I want to work on right now. So if you also go here, let me just be doing everything so that you'll be able to see that everything is live and direct. If I reload this page, you can see I'm actually working on this domain, which is Philo Vita. Philo Vita, that's what I'm working on. So having seen that, I want to show you just to tell you that we're actually on the right directive. So I'm going to delete all this. You can see this has it. I like to be very detailed on my training. So you shouldn't say that I skip some parts and I don't understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to delete the just to prove to you that we are in the right section. So I'm going to just click here, select it and delete it from my keyboard. And then the system will ask me whether I want to delete it. Yes, I'll say yes. So I'm going to just delete it and then you can see everything is empty. Then if I go here and reload this page, you can see that everything is what? Empty. So what we need to do first is to upload the script. So all you have to do is to click here, upload section. You can see the upload here. Just hit this upload button. You can see it. I prefer you to make use of system while working on this. So just click on upload system. Just click on the upload. If you're enjoying value on this, please like and share this video. So click select file. Select file. It will take you to the place you must have gotten when you must have gotten the script. You'll be able to get if you got this script, you have to see that you can see automated database script. Okay. Are you with me now? You can see it right away in the desktop. So I'm going to upload this to one of this one. This one you see VTU solution. I'm going to upload it. Okay, the file is going to be given to you once you must have requested for it. Okay. Remember, nothing is free because people are very funny. They'll come to my WhatsApp and say, "Okay, please, I want this thing to be free." Okay, if you get a hosting account from Namecheap or maybe his HostGiga for free, then come and request for the script for free. So it's not, you don't expect me to walk you through the step-by-step process like this, and then you expect everything to be free. So Nigerians, please pay attention to this. If you are chatting me up in the WhatsApp group, sir, I want to pay for the script, send me account number. That's the language I will understand because this training is detailed as possible. So you shouldn't come and start telling me what about the script, how does this thing work? Because I won't entertain it. So don't say that I'm sounding harshy to you or any other thing, because I took my time and efforts to make videos like this, because I know that once I make this video, you can easily follow my training and instructions to be able to implement and get the process going. So the essence of the whole thing, why we're making several videos on our YouTube channel, is for you to be able to start making money online. So come into WhatsApp and begin to ask questions upon questions. These things can't even make you money because you are just there in one page, rotating, thinking, brainstorming, while others are still making money in the business. How many videos, as this thing uploading, I'm just making some kind of, let me just be giving you mentorship. How many videos I've made in the past, how we're able to make over #1 million selling data and airtime. You can check them out on the channel. So this business is legit and real, and I don't know how to put it. So you that are here on this video, the only thing you have to do is that pay attention. Once this video is completed and everything is 100% done, you're able to understand how to do the installation, how to do everything. Go ahead, make your payment and get started. Don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask Shedrach, please, I want you to teach me more. That's what I'm doing in this video. So once you have uploaded this script, you can see it is 100%. You must leave it to turn to green. Okay. So once you see it is 100%, also leave it, just give it some times so for the thing to turn into green, so that it means that everything is okay. So don't just skip it, just allow it for some time. As we are waiting for this, let's go to the next stage, which is what? Creating database. So on your hosting account, every hosting account support that. You can see database here. You can see it now. So I'm going to just hit down my creation button. Just click on database. So I'm gonna just create a database for the system. So once I come here, what I'm going to do right away is to go to the website. I usually take this. This is Philove, okay, Philove. So I'm gonna just put in something like Philove DB, okay. So your own maybe your own website. I believe you're getting it. So your own will be different from this because this is actually. So I'm gonna just click Philove DB. So that's just what I want to title this. So you can see the database. So you must copy this, copy it and keep somewhere safe, and then go back to the just click on back and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you go to add user because you have to add user to the database. So remember, I created the one. I want to make everything. I just usually like everything to be the same. So remember the one I created was what's it called now? So let me just search it. Always be very don't rush things. Make sure everything is smooth and fine because this is the place where if you make any mistake, then there's going to be a very big problem for your website not to be responded. So I'm going to take in the database. I think I have it here. You can see it here, Philove. I use one L. So that's what I want to check. So I use one L in the creation of the database. So I have to still go back to put in a YL here. So I'm going to put in Philove DB. Okay. So I'm going to use a password. I'm going to use password generator for this. So, but let me paste this database. Let me paste this database on my notepad. Just pasting it on my notepad so that I can be able to use it. Just give me some while. So I'm pasting it on my notepad. So I've tested it. So I'm gonna construct a password. So let me construct the password that will be okay for this. Let me construct a password that will be okay for this. Just give me a while. So I've constructed the password. So let's put the password right away. So I put the password and it's very strong. I'll put it again and then create user. Once you put the password, you create the user. So it is created. So I'm going to go back. So the next thing I want to do is to assign the users to the database. So follow me along. So I'm going to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see where they say add users to the database. So I'm going to click on this. Then look for the Philove. So you can see it here. I'll click on it, then select the database, which is also Philove DB. So you can see it. Everything is users is Philo. You can see it. Then database is Philove DB. So that is what we want to achieve in this section. So I'm just going to click on add. So it will come to this section. So click on this all privilege, then scroll down, click make changes. So everything is added right now. So the next thing we are going to go to is to check the upload. You can see the upload is now green. As I said, you can see it. It means it's okay. So the next thing we need to do is to close this, and then come back to the directory that's in the file manager. You can see it now. This is the script that is here. Then if you go back to the front of the website, you'll be able to see that the script is then here. You can see it right away. Now the next thing you need to do is to do what we call extraction, file extractions, because it's on a zip file. So all you have to do is to click on this, then locate the extract button here. You can see it right here. Okay, so just locate the extract, just click on extract. Then this is the URL, the directory where you are extracting the file to. You can see it right away here. This is the directory where you're extracting the file. So that's good. So all you have to do is to click on extract files. So you click on extract files. So everything will be extracted like this. Click OK. Then double click on this place, which is this. Now, once you double click, what you need to do is to select everything like this. I believe you are getting my instruction. Click on select all, then click on move at the top here. Let me be using arrow so that you'll be able to know what I'm doing. Just click on that move, click on the move, and then remove this VTU solution here, and then make sure it is only this, because I want this to be the home directory for my what's it called, for my development. So I'm gonna just click on move files, so everything will move to that particular directory. I believe you are following my training. So I'm gonna click back to Philo. So everything is here now. So when I go back to Philo, you'll be able to see that Philo will change to a full-blown VTU website within, and it's gonna, because this solution I'm offering to you comes with home page, it comes with the applications, it comes with so many things. So, but you know, people don't know, they will not understand what they are paying until they see it live and direct. So we have developed the home page so that you can ease your way you do VTU. So it's not like maybe, okay, Shedrach is just offering me a script. I'm offering you a script and also offering you a front end UI design that is both mobile friendly and otherwise. So you can see it now. We're going to work on the front end, but let's get the script working, because the script is the major thing that we need at the first instance. So how do we get started? Remember, if you come here now and then probably click on register login. If you click on register login now, you can see that things will go somehow. If you click on this login now, for instance, if I click on login, you see that something is resulting here now. Error is resulting here. The reason is because we have not done the back end. So let's quickly go through the back end process, because that's the main thing why we are here, right? So we want to learn how this VTU system can be developed, because that's where you have to. This I'm training you, it can be done by any person, irrespective of your knowledge of ICT. So the main thing is to follow my video instruction step by step. So once this process is done, the next thing we need to do is to go back to the database. I usually like to open a different tab. So once you go back to the database, what's called the cPanel section, I mean to say, scroll down on the cPanel and then click on PHP My Admin. Okay, just click on PHP My Admin. And then locate the PHP My Admin. So once you locate the PHP My Admin, the next thing you need to do is to locate the what's it called? But before I do this, there's something I want to do first. We need to connect the database to the system. Okay, remember we are loading this and it's not working at the moment. So let's connect this to the database first and then do something before we go back to the PHP admin. So what I need to do here is to go to this Philo data. In your own case, you go then click on users, then click on a custom config. You can see it right away. Just click on this particular section. Don't go where I didn't ask you to go, please. If you have the script, just click edit. Then remember, we have created a database before now. So I'm going to now come here, and then I'm going to go to what's it called? The database I created earlier, which you can see it right away. I'm going to copy this and then come to this place and then replace whatever you see here. Just make sure you replace it. Replace whatever you are seeing here. You can see it. It will ask you for the database. You have to put it. Then the password. I think I have the password right away. So I'm copying it right away. And then I'm going to put the password right away. I'm going to do everything so that you're able to see that everything is clear, crystal clear. Now, the place where it's very important is the base parts. So pay attention here. You see the base parts here now. You can see it right away. So you need to, if you save it now, watch what I'm going to do. If I click here and save the changes I've made, then I'll go to Philo now, just to show you one thing so that you're able to learn it. Be able to see that everything is coming as planned, okay? But to be very on the safer side, you can see the directory where our application is based on. So I want you to also change that. That's users. So I'm going to come to this place. I'm going to come to this place and then backspace it and then put users. Okay, users. So I'm going to just click on save changes. So if I reload it, it will still be the same thing. So I think we have solved one point right now, but even if you click on register, you may not be able to do the registration because the database is still not available. So for you to make the database available, all you have to do is to go back to your PHP admin. Remember, I click on tools, I click on cPanel, I click on PHP admin, and I'm here. So what I need to do is to locate my database, which is PhiloDB. So you can see it right away. I'm going to click on that. So once I click on that, I see that everything is empty. Then I'm going to click on import on this section. So click on import, then click on browse. And then you see the MDB here. Just I'm going to click on that and then upload, click open, and then go, click import at the down section here. So wait for a while for the database to be imported. So once the database is imported, you can then continue the process. You continue the process. So I'm giving it some while for it to be imported. So I'm giving it some while to be imported. So you can see that it has been imported. The database is imported, and everything is imported as you can see it live and direct. So let me click below to be very sure of what we are doing. You can see that everything is imported. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. And then now the next thing we are going to do is to go to the admin end. So I'm going to pause this video and go to the admin end, because if you get the script, I'm going to show you how to go about the admin section. Okay. Okay. So once you must have already gotten the script, we are going to send you the admin end. Okay. I'm going to teach you step by step on how to go about getting the admin credentials, because that's the what we give to you once you get the script. So once you are logged in, you'll be able to see that you'll be welcome to the dashboard section of the user end. Okay. So you can see the announcement button, which is displayed for you, for everybody, not only for you. Now, what are the things you can do here? I'm going to just show you some certain things you can do as an admin. And then let's be rounding up the tutorial. So if you look here, you will see that these are the menu tab, the tab sections that you can use to go through the whole process. You can see it right away. So this you can go through, but then the place that is very important for you is to here, which you see switch to admin. So click on this and then make sure you enter your password as the administrative password, and then you click on gain access. Believe you are getting it, just to authenticate the system to be able to give you the admin section. So once that is done, we'll be able to see that this is the admin end, no longer the user end. So from this place, what are the things you can do as an admin? First of all, click on system settings. Just click on system settings. So you will see here that this is the place where you can change the call to action, the app settings. So here, this is Philo data. Okay, Philo data. That is the name of the application we are working on. So let me go back. Yes, that's it. That's it, philodata.com.ng. So The phone number here is going to be the phone number of the admin, while that of the purple has to do with the display. You can choose, make a choice of your preference of what you think can be displayed. Now, this is the announcement sections that you see when you log into the app. So you can virtually change it to anything you think is best for you. So here, let me just put Philo. So as admin, you can be able to modify this statement. So click on modify, click OK. So whichever section you do, you must click on modify so that it can be affected before you go to another section. So this is how the admin end works. So you can see here that this modification I did not work. So I'm going to just put a field of data. And then here, let me just put in the phone number. Let me put the phone number that is supposed to be there. If you are enjoying the value of this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel and then use the link in the description of this video to get the application. The application is currently on a pre-launch, meaning that the price may go as high as you may think in few days to come. So don't waste time. Don't waste time and say, Shedrach, I thought that this thing is going to be what you say. Why is it now this amount? So don't delay this, because if you delay it, you may not be able to get this application. So don't say that I didn't say that, because people are very funny. When they have seen that the thing is now on a high side, they will start coming to plead. So once you put the phone number, remember the things I modify the color, the phone number, the announcement section. And the place that is very, very important is on the place. So you can see the app is modified. You can see that if you go up here, you'll be seeing that it's no longer VTU software, rather it is Philo data. So the next place I'm going to go is the section on the modify. So let me quickly walk you on the modify section. So this place, you need to have a modify for auto banking to work. So you need to put in your API key here, the secret key, the contract code. This, because the system supports auto banking, you'll say, so you have to change all the thing that is here, put your own key here. So that's just how you have to do that. Then coming to Bulk SMS, leave everything the way it is here. But once you come to this place, which is the charges has to do with how much you want to charge your user for sending MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile. So it can easily affect the changes. Okay, you can easily, for instance, here I may say that 9 Mobile, I'm going to be charging this, because the application supports Bulk SMS. So right, this I'm going to charge this. So I'm going to charge this. So click modify, click OK. So this is on Bulk SMS and modify. So create a modify account if you don't have one, to then come to the admin setting as I'm showing you to update your admin system. So the next thing is the connectivity has to do with your API. So what you need to do is to quickly go to cashalert.com.ng/backend, create an account, free account. You can see it right away. So create free account, update your account, and then once you create your account on cashalert.com.ng, you'll be able to, at the moment of recording this video, but whenever you're watching the video, you can always reach out to me on WhatsApp to know the current API, what's it called, system that is compatible with the application. Now, the reason why I'm sounding this way, because things changes, and this is actually a video that is going to be on YouTube for a long time, so I wouldn't know when you are watching the video. So you shouldn't come and say, Shedrach, you say it's cash alert, but I couldn't see cash alert. So I'm now making that categorically that you should always contact me on WhatsApp to request for the current API for this system. So once you are here on cash alert, what you need to do is to hover your mouse at the upper section here, then click on authorization token. You can see it right away. And then come to that place. Once you see it now, you can see You copy this series of digits of number here. You can see it right away, then copy it and then go back to the API authorization token and then paste it here and modify it. That's just a simple thing you need to do. There's nothing too complex. This is to enable system to be delivering products from your website. Now, the only thing you need to do next is to make sure you load your money in your cash alerts wallet to enable the system to be delivering product from your end. Okay, so that's the only thing you need to do here. Now, I want to show you other things you need to do as an admin. So the only thing you need to do is to how do you modify product, which is very important. Click on the settings again, then click on plan management. Can you see it here? Click on plan management. Click on this plan management. So once you click on plan management, you will see we have end users, resellers, VIP. So on this place, you can the end users, if you want to charge your customer, end users are people that registered in the system. So I think you should leave it at that. Then resellers are people that want to now enjoy a greater discounts from different. So you can easily click edit plan. And then from this place, you can put in the any amount you want to charge your resellers. For instance, I'm going to put in 3,000 here and then click on modify, click on OK. Now remember, the price of end users are different from the price of resellers. The same thing with the VIP based on the system. But the good thing about the system is that it supports unlimited membership creations, which I'm going to show you once I must walk you through step by step on how to be a VIP. I may just say it's 5,000. So remember the other one is 3,000. I just put in 5,000 here. So what it means is that if you want to upgrade to a VIP as a user on the system, you should pay 5,000 to the admin. Then why, if you want to upgrade to a reseller in the system, you have to upgrade with 3,000. So having done this, the next thing is to learn how to set price, starting from the end users. If you click edit prices now, you have to pay attention here. Then from this place, you can decide how much you are selling all these products. Okay, you can see the cost price, how much do you want to sell. Now, in the aspect of the prices, pay very good attention here. So you can see 2 gig here is 488. Now, the 1 gig here is 244 naira. Now, you see the price that you are seeing here is the price that end users get from their API terminal. Can you see it now? I believe you are getting my training. So what does it really mean? Here is the price for the API cost, as in how much you are getting from us. Now, what you need to do is to understand the price mechanism. Now, selling price here means how much you want to say to your users, having knowing how much you are getting from us. Now, SME at the moment of recording this is very costly, so you should pay attention to that. But I want to do justice to price margin for you so that you shouldn't come and start killing me with questions on the WhatsApp. Now, if you come this place, you may decide to set to an end user at rate of maybe 235, for instance. I believe you are getting it. What it means is that the system will remove 222, 235 minus by 222. That should give you 13 naira profit you are going to make when someone buys 1 gig of SME. I believe that is clear. So these have to check for all the whole network, but I don't want to do any updates here. All you have to do is that once you are comfortable with the ones you have modified, I'm talking about any price you modify based on what I just showed you, what you need to do is to scroll down the page and click on update price. Just click on update price, then click OK. This is how you do for other membership system. That is the reseller, the VIP, and even the one that you may create additionally, because in this system or this application which I'm offering to you, it comes with unlimited comes with unlimited membership ability for you to create unlimited membership. Let me show you. So if you click on plan management, you will now click on create plan. Click on create plan. Then you can easily assign the name, the amount, upgrade amount. Then click on upgraded by user, meaning that users are the ones to upgrade themselves. I think that is self-explanatory. I don't want to do that because there's so many things we need to still cover on the video. Now, having done that, how do you manage your users? It's very simple. Click on user management. You'll be able to see all your users and then begin to manage them here. So, but I don't want to go that. You can easily locate that from your backend. For your own case, when you have the access to the application, you may not come with the application may not come with any user database. It's going to come clean as it is. So please pay attention to that. Having said that, let's go to the front end critically. We are going to look at the front end because we have done the back end. Now, what about the front end? How do you make some modification? Like you can see the front end is white tech. That's what is written there. All you have to do is to quickly go to your file manager. For those of you that are getting the script right now, as I'm talking, you are going to your bank account and making a payment. But before you make payments, before even I show you how much this script works, I want to walk you so that I will train you first, so that you shouldn't come and buy something you don't know. So go to the field data. In your own case, go to your website on your C panel, then click on index.html, which is this. You can see it right away. Just edit the index and then choose edit. The index.html is the landing page we built for this application. So everything is here. Everything is here. So you can see the what's it called? Welcome to White Tech. So here I'm going to put in welcome to what? I believe you are getting it. Welcome to Philo Data. Philo Data. Remember, it's double. Is it double L? Yes. Yes, it's double L. Make sure you pay attention. Do not do any mistake as regard to development. So here, Philo, everywhere you see YT, you put in Philo. I believe you are getting it. Everywhere you see white tech, you replace it with your own website name. I believe you are getting it. So the next thing I needed to do is to scroll down, and see everything is okay. Everything is okay here. So you can see here, you can see white tech here. So I'm gonna just put in Philo data. So here you see white tech. I'm gonna put in Philo data. So this is Philo data. So this is Philo data. So it's as simple as that. Do not do what I didn't ask you to do. So you shouldn't come and destroy your website and then come back to me and say, Shedrach, what you said is not working. Everything you are saying here, I'm not the person that will sell a script or a solution that is not working. It's not in our custody, sir. Please pay attention because you can see right away I'm doing everything humanly possible to make this tutorial as practical as possible. And I'm following every bit of it to make sure that everything is done the way it's supposed. So you shouldn't come and say that Shedrach sold something that is not working. Everything that I'm saying here is completely 100% practical based. Okay. So here is, you see the social handle here. I'm going to put in, so put in your own real social handle here. If you're enjoying the value of this, please like and share this video, please, because if you don't like and share it, you won't see something like this again, please. That's the only thing that I like. Once you're able to like, share this video, and more people are viewing this kind of videos, it means I will be doing more of this. Okay, that's where I get my own joy for doing that, because I know that, oh, people are watching what I'm doing. You understand? So it's not just because we are paying money, because in terms of that, that's not my main goal. Okay, but pay money is also good because it helps to grow the community and also make me to do more for you guys. So I've been able to change everything. So I'm gonna go back, then reload this page. Just go back and reload the home page. You will see that Philove data is here. You can see everything has changed to Philove data. Believe you are getting it. Everything is Philove. Your own case, you're gonna be your website. So you can see Philove data. You can see everything is what Philove data. I believe you are getting it. So, but then the title is Yamtech. So how do we locate the title? So I'm gonna go back. Then let's trace it. Because that's the essence of the whole thing. Now, what I do in my, okay, you can see the title is here. We mistakenly did not put it. So I'm gonna just save it. Most YouTubers, they will be telling you how to make millions online, but they will not give you practical training like this. But Shedrach says, no, that is not how it's supposed to be. I'm going to show you everything step by step. You can see it now, Philove data. So you can see it right here. Everything is now completed. So the home page is done and dusted. The backend is done and dusted. So you may ask yourself, Shedrach, how much does this script worth? How do I get started? The answer is very simple. Now, the script itself is 12,000 naira at the moment of recording this video. Why am I saying moment of recording this video? Because you may watch the video when the script is no longer sold at that amount. That's why it is very important. Anytime you are seeing the script offer like this, grab it, go to your bank and pay. Don't say, this thing, let me think. Now, how does it work? Once you get the script at 12,000 naira, you use your hosting company, just like I told you from the initial beginning of this training. You can use Namecheap, HostDigger, then Google Host, connect your database, the name server, and develop the application based on what I just showed you on this training. So all you have to do is to go to your bank app and send in 12,000 naira. Then we'll give you the script and the database and teach you how to also locate the admin and configure the application using the training you have seen on this video. Now, another thing that is very important is that the SME prices, because SME is what controls the telecom business as moment of recording this video. So the end user price, you can see the end user price here, which is free for that cash alert at the moment, is this. It's free. But if you want to have a reseller, to be a reseller, as in like, okay, now, you don't want to get the SME at 223 naira, you can pay 5,000 naira to upgrade to a reseller. That way you can get the service cheaper. Remember, you can add that to your end customer or to your own website. You have a different pricing for your customer. Then you can also upgrade to VIP with 15,000 to enjoy 1 gig at rate of 218 naira. Or you upgrade to a portal owner and enjoy 1 gig for 216 naira per gig. Upgrade fee is 35,000. This is different from app purchase, script purchase. The script itself is 12,000. But this is, I'm telling you, is like, okay, you come to cash alert, then you discover that you are the end user here. You understand? Because each time we build a V2 system on this, we put every users to be end users. Then if you now say you want to get the services at a discounted price, this is where this particular section matters for you. Now, however, anyone who owns a V2 website with us, which of course you must have owned it at the moment of watching this, you enjoy 50% upgrade fee across each of the above packages. Do you understand now? Now, to upgrade as a portal owner, here are the fees. If you want to upgrade to a reseller, which normally, if you are now a person that is coming, just you see cash alert, then you want to just join, and then you want to enjoy higher. Let me show you so that you're able to understand what I'm saying. If you come to this, you click upgrade now, upgrade account. You will see that the amount you are paying is what I'm just telling you on that table now. So you can see, you see the end user is actually free. I'm already an end user. Then portal owner, you see is 35,000. I believe you're getting a reseller is 5,000. Why the VIP is what 15,000. Now, what I'm saying here is this: since you own a VT website with us, we are paying 15% of that amount. So instead of paying 5,000 for reseller, you are paying what 2,500 to upgrade to a reseller. Instead of paying 15,000 to VIP, we are paying a 7,500. If you instead of paying what's it called? 35,000 to portal owner, you are paying 17,500. Note, we are only paying this to get service at a cheaper rate, not that you are paying for the setup solution. Now, to get the script, it means you want to do everything your own self. You want to buy the hosting, design your VT system, everything. You just get the script and follow my training on this video. Now, but if you say, no, Shedrach, I am not a technical person, can you help me design and develop the system for you? That is when you now come to instamobile.com.ng/data reseller VTU portal. I believe you are getting the whole thing, so that you should say, Shedrach, this your training is somehow. I'm making everything very simple. So you want this video, watch it over and over again to understand what I'm saying. So come here. This is for people that are not technically inclined. Okay, I don't understand how to do all this, but I watch your video, you are real, you are legit. I want you to handle everything for me while I pay you and watch how the whole thing come out within 72 hours. The answer is 100% yes. Now here, what you need to do is to scroll down on this place. All you have to do is to pay, what's it called? You are going to pay in some fee. Let me show you. The first package here is the reseller package. You are going to pay 18,500. Then you expect your website to be ready within 72 hours. Or you pay 38,000. The 18,500 will be on our server. It means you don't want to buy the script, this particular package. I believe you are getting it. Why the one of script package means that you buy the hosting account, register your domain, and pay this 38,500. We will now develop the application on your existing C panel while you watch how everything comes live. I believe you are getting it. So it's to show you that you can order for us to do it for you, or you use the video and then reduce cost of development. Now, you also check other packages, which is the multiple reseller package, which is the one that has to do with multiple API switch, and also the business package. That one is 145. Then this one is 350K. Another feature that is also inclusive on the system. So this is how you're able to get started on this business. Remember, this is a pre-launch offer, and we keep saying the pre-launch. I keep shouting it because I know people may not take action until the price is now, maybe to get the script is now 50,000. That's when they will now say, Shedrach, this is time I'm ready. Now it is chicken change. When I mean chicken change, because if you design this application and begin to promote it, you may end up making a lot of money. Look at how clean and neat and automated and sophisticated it is. Now we'll make a strategy for everybody. This is something we're going to give for everybody that are coming to actually use this solution. We have made it possible that you'll be able to learn how to maximize your earnings. If you are going for the done for me package like this, in this done for me package, if you are going for 38,000, we'll give you a free Android app that are monetized from day one. Okay, so you are going to get your own free Android app that is monetized from day one. And then this app is going to be paying you money in dollars. So, but if you are going for the first package, nothing like that, you're not going to have it. The same thing is also applicable to the multi-reseller and business package. So hit up the contact button right away to request for your payment. Don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask questions. Shedrach, please explain what this data reseller website V2 script is all about. I have already done justice to that. Not only that I've done justice to it, I've been able to design, develop, done everything from this video. So all you have to do is to go to your bank app and make your payment and get started right away. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video because more are coming right away in the channel. Don't go away, please. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, keep multiplying, keep winning on telecom business in Nigeria. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. Thanks and God bless.